In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable auto update on Google Chrome. We all know that keeping software up to date is generally recommended for security and performance reasons. However, there are times when you might want to control when updates occur, perhaps to avoid disruptions during a critical work period, or simply to have more control over changes to your system. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to disable Chrome's automatic updates on a Windows PC. I'll guide you through each step so you can follow along easily. First, we need to make sure that all Google Chrome browser windows are closed. This step is crucial because having Chrome open can interfere with the changes we're about to make. So, take a moment to close any Chrome windows if you have them open. Next, we'll be using File Explorer to navigate to a specific directory where Chrome's update files are located. Go ahead and open File Explorer. Once it's open, you need to navigate to one of these paths: C/Program Files, x86, Google/update, or cpas/program files/Google/update. The path may vary slightly depending on your system configuration and whether you're using a 32-bit or 64-bit version of Windows. To access this quickly, just copy and paste either path into the File Explorer's address bar and hit Enter. Once you've reached the update folder within these directories, you'll see a subfolder named Google Update. This folder is responsible for checking and applying updates to your Google Chrome browser. To prevent these automatic updates, you're going to delete this Google Update folder. Simply right-click on it and select Delete. Make sure you only delete the Google Update folder, as deleting other files or folders might affect other applications. By removing this folder, you're essentially disabling the component that manages Chrome's automatic updates. This means that Google Chrome will no longer automatically update itself until the folder is restored. Keep in mind, however, that you'll need to manually check for and install updates if you want to ensure you're running the latest version of Chrome in the future. It's also important to mention that this method of disabling updates is not officially supported by Google. So always be cautious and consider the risks of not receiving automatic updates, especially when it comes to security vulnerabilities and features that improve your browsing experience. There you have it, a quick and effective way to disable auto updates on Google Chrome. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.